Time for another holiday product review. This one today is on our products just for the guys and special men in your life. These are hair and body wash combos, and they come in this nice little mesh drawstring bag here, and it comes with both of these. So what they are, so hair and body wash, and they're in our two most popular men's cologne fragrances that we have. So this one is our High Intensity Ocean, and this one is in True Original. They both smell fabulous. I really like them. I have used them myself. I got some for my husband to use, and I use them when they're in the shower sometimes too, because I think they smell super good. So the fragrances are different, obviously. I think they're both amazing, but tell you a little bit about them. So this High Intensity Ocean one is a very citrus marine scent. It's very fresh, very clean, citrusy, mariney. It's got notes of sea mist accord and citrus mint geranium, and also tiger's soul white amber. So mostly fresh and clean with a little bit of warmth underneath, but it smells really good. And then our other one, down the True Original, this is also a really fresh, clean blend. If you're familiar with the Old Spice products, it reminds me of that quite a bit for some of their scents, not all of them for sure. It's got lemon, Fuji, apple, amber, cedarwood, and patchouli, and something in here, I don't know what it is, but it kind of has a very light, like peppery spiciness to it. It's subtle, it's not really strong, but I think that's what makes me think of Old Spice so much, is because it's kind of got that little zippy zing to it. But this one also is still really nice, fresh, clean scent as well. So both of them are awesome. The set together is $26, and they do come together, so you get both one way or another with that awesome little mesh bag. So that is our product, and most of the men in your life are pretty much guaranteed to enjoy them, and you probably will too, because they smell so good.